You need some help installing BlueDevil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to the BlueDevil Products Garage. Today, it's all about your transmission. BlueDevil Transmission Sealer is guaranteed to restore dried, shrunken, and cracked seals back to their original condition quickly and safely. Now, it works in both manual and automatic transmissions and is super simple to install. So with your engine off, you want to pop the hood, locate your vehicle's transmission dipstick. You want to remove it, insert a funnel, and pour the proper amount of BlueDevil into the transmission. Now, it's real important not to overfill your system, so make sure you check your owner's manual for your fuel capacity of your vehicle. And remember, 1 ounce of BlueDevil treats 1 quart of transmission fluid. Then you want to replace the dipstick, shut the hood, and man, hit the road. The leak will begin to seal as you drive. Now, the process could take an hour or two of driving time, which you don't have to do in a continuous drive. And BlueDevil revitalizes those leaking seals to their original condition as it circulates throughout the transmission system. Drive your life and live leak-free, and we'll see you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the BlueDevil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.